Hello. In this video I'm going to show you how to join your Brenda squares or any classic granny square when you need to join along two different sides of your square. So I've got three squares here that are already joined together. They've all just been joined along one side. This one here fitting into the corner is going to join to this granny square and it's going to join to this granny square. It looks more complicated than it is, but in actual fact it's exactly the same as joining along one side. You just need to make sure that when you do your come to this corner, you join into this 5 chain, which is the end of this square, and this 5 chain in the corner, which actually is the beginning of this side of this square. Okay, so altogether you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 corners that you're going to join in, because you've got 2 on each square at the beginning and the end of each side. So it is exactly the same. So I do my 2 chain and then hook it into my 5 chain in the corner and complete the chain. 4, 5, and then my 3 double crochets there into that corner. 1, 2. So you can see I'm doing exactly what I did on the joining 2 squares together, where you just join on one side, because I am just at the moment joining one side to the adjacent side. And if you remember that, then you should find it quite straightforward. It is just the corner, so I'll take you to the corner and round the corner so that you can see. So along the side, so you do your 2 chain, complete 1 chain through the 5 chain loop of the adjacent square, and then 2 more chains, so you've got your 5 chains in total. Ooh, spinning round, you still see what I'm doing? Okay, we're almost at the corner. Okay, so I'm in the corner, so I'm going to do I've done 1 double crochet, 2, 3. Okay, now this is where we're going to join, so we're going to make sure that we join into here and here. Okay, so we do 2 chain. Okay, and then put your hook into that first 5 chain and pull the yarn through to complete that chain. You actually end up with, I suppose in a way, an extra chain when you do this double corner in the middle. Okay, because we're then going to put our hook through this 5 chain of this square, so the corner of this square, the bottom left. Okay, so and we'll pull the yarn through my loop to complete that chain, and we'll do 2 more chains. Okay, and then we're going to come back into the corner, because we're still in the corner of this square, and do our 3 double crochets. And then you just carry on along the side of your square as the pattern. So the same, and you end up, if I stretch it out, you can see, look, you end up with a really nice, neat little square in the middle there. So this square here is joined to this one in the corner, and it's joined to this one in the corner. It doesn't actually join to the one that's diagonal from it, but the way the stitches work in the middle, it's all very neat and even. Okay, and you can, when you've finished, you can block it all if you want, but I actually find it doesn't really need it. I mean, but that, I think for these granny squares, that's a particular preference. But I think the join and the fact that they all join into corners helps to like pull them into shape if they're not quite true. And that's how you join when you've got more than one side, and you're just going to carry along this side and then complete your square as per the pattern.